I hear that you have famous crumb cake.
Our crumb
What's
cake.
so famous about it?
It's delicious. It's the best you've ever had in your life. The crumbs are so thick. It's so moist. I'm telling them what to say.
Mary, you're the customer.
I'm a customer.
Who gets Mary?
Come over here, honey.
What's your favorite item?
These chocolate chip cookies look delicious. They are. Can I have about 5 of those?
What's your favorite item in the bakery?
The lobster tail.
Lobster tails. Oh, okay.
Could you put whipped cream on your beverages?
For you, I will.
How's your hot chocolate?
Delightful.
Oh, I'll try 2 of the pecan wedges.
And Mama Mary's favorite.
All right.
And do you make specialty cakes here if I wanted to customize my own cake? Okay.
Is there anything with no nuts? Do you like Buddy, the woman in Buddy's life?
I'm not afraid of you. You think you're tough, you're not tough. You're a dog. Look at your orange pants. It's kind of annoying when you're trying to paint and someone's right next to you. Yeah.
So Buddy's away in Ridgewood right now, which means that I'm kind of taking the lead on this cake. So that's pretty cool because I love the chance to tackle it, and this is a project that I'm pretty excited about. We still have to finish up a few of the characters. We have to put together the volcano and cover the cake in fondant. And then we're gonna have to hit it with a little bit of paint, give it some texture. And I really wanna impress Buddy and show him what we can do when he's not around.
Is this breakable?
It's got cardboard in it, so
Can you make her a little higher?
move her a little. 8.
I'm a perfectionist like my brother. Look, I just fixed it. I think it looks good, Ralph. I'm proud of you, and I'm gonna tell him. Doesn't it look good?
I think you did a great job.
Thanks.
And that's
I
just
just
think
hope
you're great.
that that
God
stuff
honest
don't
truth.
I'm nervous because the weather's been bad, so I'm worried the cake's not gonna get here.
I normally don't do these deliveries at all, let alone by myself, but somebody's got to do it. So I'm really glad for the opportunity because this is my kind of delivery. Mr. Barlow, nice to meet you, sir.
Me too. All right. Good work.
Erupt!
That's an alien volcano right there.
Wow, I love science.
Oh, look at that. Look at it. It's all dripping down the side.
We thought it was going to be good. It's even better than we expected. The figures are sculpted wonderfully. The special effects were just awesome. And overall, there's some ideas there we might steal for ourselves.
The cake was the most amazing thing I think I could ever imagine associated with this toy line.
But you're a brilliant anatomist, and you're...
Ralph almost made me tear up. I mean, it was too much. The comments that he made to me made me feel like what I do for a living is really worth something.
It was really cool to get to meet Wayne Barlow. I've been a big fan of his work for a long time. He changed the way I think about my work. And he was as nice as you could possibly hope for.
What a difference a day makes. Opening during a storm would have been miserable. Today, we got sunshine. What a great day for our grand opening.
The line is getting longer.
Seeing 200 people lined up outside the new Carl's Bakery in Ridgewood, and we're churning stuff out. Marissa, my whole family behind me, we're going nuts.
The tip of the knife, make your line.
Give me 6 cheesecake out. Red velvet's on. Danny, 1-6. All of a sudden,
Now look, 340. Did you see that? Did you see that? Am I crazy? This thing just jumped from 321 to 340. Something definitely wrong. I ran in last night. This is no good, man. We're 10 degrees below. This never goes this low. There's people waiting outside. You're gonna embarrass yourself if you don't open. You gotta be kidding me. Today? Today? You gotta do this? This thing just jumped from 321 to 340. Did you see that? Did you see that? Am I crazy?
Joey's got oven problems. Now what? Is it going up and down?
It keeps fluctuating. The only thing that it could be is it gotta be ice.
Maybe the flap was a touch with ice or something?
I mean, it goes up all the way up on the roof. I don't know if the venting is clogged because the vent goes up and it snowed. I don't know if there's snow on the vent.
You gotta have to climb on the roof.
What do you need?
Because you can fit through the hole. I can't fit through the hole. Yeah.
How you guys doing? Hello.
See, we come up through the side of the building over here, and we come right through the fan motor. So he says it's shutting down on him, so find out what's going on.
What's up, Mo?
Joey, I'm on the roof right now at the fan motor.
All right, and?
It's on.
Is it blocked?
No.
The air's coming out, the heat's coming out?
Air, heat's all coming out, yeah.
All right, I gotta go. I gotta take this stuff out of the oven.
Well, now you know how to get here.
It looks good. The product looks good. Honey, it looks beautiful.
Stuff's coming out good. These are ready as soon as the oven's unloaded.
Okay.
I'm holding temperature, so we'll see.
On three. 1, 2, 3. Hey! We are officially open for business. We love it. Thank you so much. Pleasure to meet you.
Guys,
I would like the chocolate covered strawberry. Please.
And you're gonna share it?
No, I'm not. That's for me.
I think bakery's great. I love the fact that you can watch them actually make the cakes. I think that's very exciting. I knew people were excited about the opening, but because of the winter storm, we had to move the opening, and still word got out, and I think the crowds are large, the crowds are excited. It's really great.
Now, you tell me what to do. I'm gonna be subservient to you. If you can imagine that. I don't know how long it's gonna last.
Can we not let that happen?
Go look, tell us what you want.
We need more regular Napoleon, custard Napoleons, American Napoleons, regular cream puffs.
Get it, let's go.
What else you need?
Marissa's the boss, you gotta ask her.
I think we're good. We're good on tarts.
We're good. If we can get that box up, we're good.
Okay, your name is?
Susan.
I'm so happy to see the customers coming in, and the customers were so great. So happy that we're open in Ridgewood.
This is good.
Hey, Mom. Yeah, store's packed.
Here's this lady. Here's your crumb cake.
Line down the block. I don't know. I got a whole bunch of people here, Ma. We'll send Uncle Vinny some pictures he can show you, all right? You got my sisters and my wife in the front helping the customers, and you got me and the other guys just cranking out pastries, you know, desserts, cakes, whatever they need. It's kind of nostalgic because, you know, everybody goes in there and everybody knows their place and knows their role and does what they have to do. We did it. We're successful.